Okay, principles. Many of you might have seen this, but still I'll put it on the board here. You can put it in your shop floor or office, wherever. Open your mind to change. We all know that. Always think, yes, we can, if. Okay. First, think, yes, we can. Don't attack people, attack problems. Good one, right? And Kaizen is to seek simple solutions. We all know if something is not okay, we don't fix it immediately. I normally tell this example. How many of you waited till a root canal has to be done to your teeth when you know initially a black deposit has started? Okay, that's what, if it is broken, stop to fix it. Even at the right stage, when you see initial things, if we can all, then definitely, we could have saved our teeth, right? And finally, we save our teeth by root canal therapy instead of pulling it out, right? And another important thing to remember, don't look for money, 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 okay? Use creativity, not capital, because Kaizen is about, and you can call this as 10 commandments of Kaizen also. Problems are opportunities in disguise. Ask why. And I reworded it in a different way, okay? I generally say this 8th point like this. Don't ask who has made this mistake. Ask why the mistake has happened. We can also rewrite Kaizen books, okay? Don't ask who has made this mistake. Ask why the mistake has happened. Look at that paradigm of thinking, right? How many of you relate to this, First of all, once the problem has happened, immediately we ask, who did this mistake? Right? Instead of asking why the mistake happened. Because if you ask why the mistake has happened, the total approach towards solving is different, right? Wisdom of many, not the knowledge of one. Don't hire an IIM guy or IIT or BITS Pilani guy like me and then try to change. There is no destination on the journey towards continuous improvement. So these are all some principles and practices. I hope this principle practice is clear. We'll go to the next slide. Okay, here I want to put some human elements of Kaizen. This is also something that we should all internalize. Every employee matters, okay? That's why in his book, Masaki Imai, he talks Kaizen about 3 E's. How many of you have heard that 3 E's? Of course, Ugandar is there, who is from Kaizen Institute. How many of you remember this 3 E's, what Masaki Imai has written? I will give you a clue, okay? Everyone. What are the other E's? Now you can write easily. Everywhere, okay? Every time, okay. Okay, everything is not written, okay? Everywhere he has written, okay. So employees are expert at what they do. We know that, everybody acknowledges that. This is very important. Managers work alongside with employees to find solutions. That's what is being in the Gemba about, and being with, playing a supporting role. We will talk about supporting role in the next session instead of a reporting role. We will reverse the pyramid of the organization structure. Employees help with new ideas and improvement. These are all the human elements of Kaizen.